For many of us who've lived here in Tulsa our whole lives, we've seen a lot change. One of our coworkers, though, has a fascination with our city, and he's come up with a really cool way to blend the past with the present. Patrick McNicholas is one of our camera operators, actually, on the show, and when he made Tulsa People magazine this month, we knew that he had to come on to share the project with our viewers here on 6 in the morning. So welcome, and thanks for doing this project.
Yes,
how did it all get started?
Well, it all started actually with another coworker here. He had posted a historic picture on Facebook, and then he also Google image picture, so I composited both of them and created this animation. And so my early work on the page kind of is very reminiscent. The images that you guys have, the videos, kind of the same concept, but it's kind of evolved and it became more seamless in the style.
See, for somebody like me, there are buildings that you're photographing that I remember, and then what's there now kind of blending these two. I want to show this one because obviously our old building at 3rd and Frankfort, that's been around for forever.
Yeah, they started broadcasting in '48 over there, but the building got started in the early '40s. And basically what you're seeing here, the antenna on top of the 320 building over to the side is the KOTV antenna, so you can see that there. And obviously the building now has been repurposed, and I think the owner's going to be moving in soon, hopefully.
Yeah, it's very, very cool. Now, you mentioned some of the videos, and that's what Patrick has an Instagram account that we've been following, and some of them are these videos. So take a look at these because they're moving. They're showing what's there then and then back to what's there now. Yeah, and that particular location?
This is the new American Solera location. It was opened in the 20s, and it had quite a few different different occupants. This is the Coliseum, which unfortunately, people have asked me what happened to it, and I said, well, it got struck by lightning and burnt down, so it wasn't anyone's fault except for Mother Nature, I guess. But, each location has a great story behind it, and that's what I try to focus on in the project, and there's so much history that I can't really get it all out there. But
so a lot of times you're working with a historical society on some of these photos?
Yeah, I use their collection online as well as the Barrel Ford collection, and then I also get people that send me historic photos, and I just try to work with what I can, and then a lot of people have approached me about other kind of historical projects. So
that's a lot of fun. The thing that's cool, you can definitely check out Patrick's work right now in Tulsa People magazine, the current edition, and look for future issues as well. Also, you can follow him on Instagram, and that's where you can get some really cool pictures. It's all part of, it's called Tulsa Past, all one word. And I just thought it was really cool when I saw it in the magazine. I'm like, you're legit, man. This is real.
Yeah, the response so far has been nothing but positive, so we'll continue with it. And a lot of people have said, I want this location, so we'll try to make that happen soon.
That'll be awesome. I know it's a hobby, but I wouldn't be surprised if it didn't turn into a business at some point. Great to have you on, Patrick.
Absolutely.
I think they're giving me a wrap, and you know how that goes, right?
I saw the clock.
Well done, my friend. All right, 20 minutes till 9 is our time. Still ahead. One of Tulsa's biggest events of the year. Bump, 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 ding, 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 ding. That's Oktoberfest. We're gonna have some folks in to talk about the event that starts very, very soon.